Hey there, Healthy Lifers! Welcome back to Healthy Life Home, where we make living well simple, smart, and a little bit delicious. If you've ever looked into your fridge and thought, I guess dinner tonight is yogurt and regret, this video's for you. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide to smart, healthy eating at home. From grocery hacks to quick meals and mindset tips that'll make healthy living second nature. So grab your smoothie or your coffee and let's jump in. Part 1. Plan like a pro. First up, planning. I know. It doesn't sound sexy, but trust me, planning your meals even loosely can save your wallet, waistline, and sanity. Pro tip, start with 3 core meals you actually enjoy. Maybe overnight oats, a power salad, and a stir fry. Rotate them, remix them, and you've already built 70% of your weekly menu. And if you hate grocery lists, use the Eat the Rainbow trick. Every color you toss in your cart equals more nutrients. Greens for iron, reds for heart health, oranges for glowing skin, and Skittles don't count. Part 2. Cook smarter, not longer healthy. Eating isn't about becoming a chef, it's about outsmarting your cravings. Try this. Batch cook your grains and proteins once a week. Rice, quinoa, or chicken breast. Done. Store them in the fridge and you've got a 5-minute head start every meal. Bonus. Hack. Roast a big tray of veggies on Sunday. They'll last all week and taste amazing in wraps, bowls, or even breakfast eggs. Oh, and remember, your air fryer is not just a gadget. It's a life coach that whispers, "You don't need oil for that." Part 3. Eat mindfully. Here's the secret no one talks about. Healthy eating isn't only about what's on your plate, it's how you eat it. When you slow down, chew properly, and actually taste your food, your body releases more satisfaction hormones. Translation: you'll feel full faster and snack less later. Try the No Scroll Zone challenge. No phone, no Netflix, just you and your meal. It feels weird at first, but by day 3, you'll realize how much more relaxed and satisfied you feel. Part 4. Smart swaps that don't feel like punishment. Next up. Smart swaps that make your body happy without making you cry. Swap soda for sparkling water with lemon or berries. Same fizz, no sugar crash. Swap white rice for brown or cauliflower rice. And no, it doesn't taste like sadness. Swap chips for popcorn or roasted chickpeas. Your crunch cravings will thank you. Healthy doesn't mean boring. It means you're learning how to hack the system in your favor. Part 5. The mindset shift that changes everything. Let's get real. Perfection doesn't exist. Healthy eating isn't all or nothing. It's more like mostly good, sometimes pizza. And that's okay, because what truly matters is consistency. One smoothie won't change your life, but a habit of smart choices? That absolutely will. So celebrate your small wins. Did you drink water today? Boom! Health hero. Did you swap your snack? Double boom. Did you watch this video instead of ordering Uber Eats? You're practically a wellness guru. All right, Healthy Lifers. That's your ultimate guide to smart, healthy eating at home. If this helped you rethink your habits, hit that like button, subscribe for more wellness hacks, and drop a comment below. What's your go-to healthy meal when you're too tired to cook? Remember, health starts at home, and small changes make big impact. Stay nourished, stay mindful, and I'll see you in the next one. Please like and subscribe for more healthy hacks.